Hey everybody, Shawn here, and welcome to Revealing Truth. In light of Mike Winger's recent videos, the internet has exploded with videos about these people. Many are looking at this as a shocking new truth being revealed, and while some of it may be, I and others have been exposing this crowd for years. Myself for almost 10 years. So rather than make a new video, I really encourage you to watch the many videos I've already done on these people. And you can do that in one of two ways. First is to go to the search tab and click on the magnifying glass. That'll open up a search box, and you can type in the name of the person you want to see videos on. Then click enter, and a list of videos on that person will appear. The other way to search is to click on the playlist tab, and that'll open up access to many playlists on people and/or topics. And there's a lot of them. 264 playlists to be precise. Unfortunately, you can't search for playlists, so you'll have to scroll through them to look for the person or topic you're interested in seeing more about. Or once again, you can just do a search for the name of that person you're looking for. But we've got a playlist with 69 videos exposing the false teachings of Todd White. The playlist for Shawn Bolz has 14 revealing videos to see. And there's 30 videos in the playlist for Chris Valaton. Bill Johnson has 29 videos in his list. And you can always go to the Bethel playlist to see almost 150 videos on the various false teachers within that organization. So as of now, I won't be doing any new videos on this crowd unless some new false teaching arises. But there's already plenty to look at to get a far better understanding on why so many people are concerned with Bethel and its leaders. So, with that being said, we're going to keep this short and sweet today, but feel free to leave your comments below. And until next time, take care and God bless.